This is how to pull and reset. I just got it in the mail. Well, not just, but a couple days ago. So you lift up, then you pull down. You cannot reset it by pushing it up. It comes with 2 glass rods that if you're in a school, a kid just does not be able to pull it. And the glass will break if you end up pulling it. So it flips this switch up when you pull it. See? I'm gonna pull it again when the switch is off. So lift up, pull down, and then switch is on. So I did not tell you how to reset it. Okay, lift up, pull down. You cannot reset it by pushing it in. It comes with a key. This is Edward's. Oh, sorry, I blurred it out for you guys. I didn't mean to tell you. It's fine. Okay, so pulled it down, turn that off. Sometimes this just comes down, but no worries, no biggie. And that stays still. It will not close all the way because this key always goes up. That's how you pull and reset. Bye.